Hi my angels, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a very quick and easy potato pancake recipe you should try out. So here I have my potato. I gave it a wash, peeled it, and then I grated it out to form this strand. Next, for keeping it really simple, I added a little bit of salt and gave it a mix. So we're going to be needing a non-stick pan for this because it's non-stick. It's not going to stick to the pan. And what you want to do is add a little bit of oil to the pan. Yeah, I added sunflower oil to it and I put in the potato. When you put your potato, press it really well and give it a cover. Put it on a very low heat. So here I have one egg, added a little bit of pepper and salt, and I'm going to give this a mix to combine everything. This is a very simple breakfast. Where are you watching from? Leave your comment in the comment section so I can give you a shout out in the next video. So after a while, this was after 3 minutes, I'm going to turn my egg mix into my Irish potato. Reason I'm doing this is because egg is going to be like a bind to it. You can use flour, you can use cornstarch, but I'm using egg because egg is going to make it come together. So I left it. You can see how bubbly it was. After 3 minutes, I gave it a flip, and from here I started giving it a flip every minute. So it took me about 5 to 6 minutes to do this. It's very simple, very easy, very delicious, guys. So I kept on giving it a flip, and when it was ready, I took it out. Next thing, I'm going to be adding my ketchup. I'm just going to be using 1 teaspoon of ketchup, and you want to just spread it evenly all over our sweet beautiful pancake. Can you see how delicious it is? And it also gave it a shine. Guys, this was crisp on the outside and soft on the inside. It was everything. Will you be trying this breakfast or lunch or dinner? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share and subscribe. Angel loves you. Bye guys.